हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय नेम्स 141। आज के वीडियो में हम असम पुलिस कांस्टेबल 2020 का पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। इसमें हम हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटिकल, मैथ्स और कंप्यूटर साइंस के टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे। ये क्वेश्चंस आपके आने वाले 2026 का एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा और चेक करिएगा कि आपको कितना आंसर्स पहले से पता था। अगर आप लोगों को इस क्वेश्चन पेपर का पीडीएफ चाहिए तो कमेंट बॉक्स में पीडीएफ लिख देना। चलो अब शुरू करते हैं। Romesh walks 10 km in front and 10 km to the right. Then every time turning left he walks 5 km, 15 km and 15 km respectively. How far is he now from the starting point? Correct answer 5 km. If D, E and F are three midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC, the area of DEF is 4 cm square. Then the area of ABC will be correct answer 16 cm square. If the circumference of a circle is reduced by 50%, then the area of the circle will reduce by 75%. On a sum of money, if the difference between simple interest and compound interest, both at 10%, is rupees 10 in 2 years, what is the principal amount? Correct answer 1000. A train leaves Jorhat at 5 am and reaches Guwahati at 11 am. Another train leaves Guwahati at 5:30 am and reaches Jorhat at 11:30 am. What time the two trains cross each other? Correct answer 8:15 am. A can do a piece of work in 12 days and B can do it in 24 days. They start the work together. Calculate the number of days to complete the work. Correct answer 8 days. If rupees 2600 is divided among the persons A, B and C in the ratio 1/2 ratio, 1/3 ratio, 1/4 respectively, how much B gets? Correct answer rupees 800. Average monthly pay of 5 brothers is rupees 600, and if 2 brothers got a pay raise of rupees 100, then the new average pay will be correct answer rupees 640. G29 Summit 2019 was held in correct answer Osaka. Who is the director of Intelligence Bureau? Correct answer Arvind Kumar. Sri Rameshwar Teli is correct answer Minister of State in Food Processing Ministry. Who has been awarded Padam Shri Award in 2019? Correct answer Shri Arup Kumar Datta. Riyan Parag is a correct answer cricket player. Village Roasters was directed by correct answer Rima Das. Correct answer Kyrgyzstan. Council of States was renamed as correct answer Rajya Sabha. Who cannot vote in the election of the President of India? Correct answer elected member of Legislative Council. The term monopoly is associated with correct answer capitalism. Which is not a union territory? Correct answer Ladakh. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Correct answer, Vice President of India. Holes in ozone layer are caused by? Correct answer, chlorofluorocarbon. Which district of Assam has no international boundary? Correct answer, Kamrup. Coenzyme was introduced by? Correct answer, Sukhampa. Who wrote Namgokha? Correct answer, Sri Madhav Dev. Who wrote Karangar Ligiri? Correct answer, Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Whom Bhaskar Barman sent as ambassador to Harshavardhan? Correct answer, Hem Savega. Where was Madhav Dev born? Correct answer, Letekupukuri. Which Assamese film was released in 1935? Correct answer, Jaimati. If a large number of people are enclosed in a room, then? Correct answer, only carbon dioxide will increase. Your doctor gave you 7 capsules to be taken 1 at 2 hours interval. How long the capsules last? Correct answer, 12 hours. Babarumba is a dance of? Correct answer, Boro. To insert 3 columns between column D and E, you will? Correct answer, select column E. From which menu you can insert header and footer? Correct answer, insert menu. A combination of row and column is called? Correct answer, cell. Shows the word most similar in meaning FIASCO. Correct answer, disaster. Shows the word nearly opposites in meaning PRUDENT. Correct answer, police. Which of the following words does not have a masculine form? Correct answer, Sipini. Which of the following suffixes is used in a singular sense? Correct answer, to. Which plural suffix is used with the word Dangoria in addressing? Correct answer, Sokol. Select the word which is least like the other words in the group. Correct answer, tomato. Select the word which is least like the other words in the group. Correct answer, root. In a certain code, STABILISE is written as UVCDKNKUG. How will cricket be written in the same code? Correct answer, ETKEMGV. What is the product of numbers which are lying only in rectangle? Correct answer 72. तो ये थे हमारे 2021 का पेपर के टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस। आई होप आपने हर एक क्वेश्चंस को ध्यान से देखा होगा, क्योंकि असम पुलिस एग्ज़ाम्स में अक्सर कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिपीट होते हैं। तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही था। अगले वीडियो में हम 2021 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।